About QED Connect Incorporated. QED Connect Incorporated is a New York corporation which makes acquisitions, investments, and enters into strategic business partnerships. The company seeks businesses with strong potential which QED can assist in achieving their plans and realizing their maximum potential. QED maintains the goals of portfolio expansion and entry into various market segments. It is QED's intention to help its partners and subsidiaries realize growth, and that growth would, in turn, enhance QED's ability to increase shareholder value. QED expanded the direction of the corporation in 2009 to become a holding company and make acquisitions, investments, and enter into strategic business partnerships. The company seeks businesses with strong potential which QED can assist in achieving their plans and realizing their maximum potential. This business model achieves the company's goals and expands its overall revenue and profits and diversifies through entry into the multiple market segments. It is QED's intention to help its partners and subsidiaries realize growth, and that growth would, in turn, enhance QED's ability to increase shareholder value. In March of 2010, the company entered into an agreement with Nazz Productions Incorporated, whereby Nazz is to become a wholly owned subsidiary of the company. In May of 2010, the company entered into an agreement to form a joint venture with Sofame Technologies Incorporated, a Montreal, Canada-based company to form a joint venture in the U.S. The joint venture will form a U.S.-based company for the purposes of marketing, distributing, selling and supporting Sofame's products within the United States. About Nazz Productions. Nazz is an independent producer and distributor of film and television entertainment content. The company plans to produce and distribute films that are independent of major studios and are produced and marketed using significantly smaller budgets. Nazz intends to establish both national and international channels for distribution of films to both theaters and on television, and to establish an entertainment library. It is expected that post-release distribution of the content of such a library will generate recurring revenues by distributing film directly to retailers, to the expanding online distribution network, and to television, thereby supplementing further expansion of production activities. Nazz intends to produce 2 motion pictures within the next 18 months for release, theatrically and directly to television, home video or online distribution. The company focuses on producing artistic films that emphasize complex storylines and character development. The company is currently in post-production on its latest film, Good Day for It, starring Academy Award nominee Hal Holbrook, Robert Patrick, Lance Henriksen, Robert Englund, Kathy Baker, Samantha Mathis, Mika Boorem, Joe Flanigan, Kane and Richard Brake. Past films include The 24th Day, starring Scott Speedman and James Marsden, as well as The Florentine, which was a co-production along with Francis Ford Coppola's American Zoetrope. Nazz Productions has purchased the screenplay, Nebraska Fish and Game, from acclaimed writer Neil Gupple. Mr. Gupple's other works include Uncoupled, which was purchased by DreamWorks Studios, with David Permett producing and George Gallo directing, and Friends Again. About Sofame Technologies Incorporated. Sofame Technologies Incorporated custom engineers and manufactures unique, high-efficiency direct-contact industrial hot water systems which extract up to 99% of heat from flue gases depending on the application, and return the energy in the form of high-temperature hot water or preheated makeup air. Sofame's products help hospitals, food processing plants, universities, central heating plants, utilities and many more large energy consumers to significantly reduce fuel costs and greenhouse gas emissions. Using world-leading, patented green technology, Sofame serves industrial, institutional and commercial markets through a network of dedicated engineering representatives. For more information, visit www.sofame.com. Many new and historic news articles about QED Connect and its partners can be found on the QED website at www.qedconnect.com, then clicking the Press tab on the menu. Contact information: QED Connect Incorporated, P.O. Box 1027, Manchester, New Hampshire 03105. US and Canada sales line 603-425-8933, fax 541-764-6180, email info@QEDConnect.com.